Everybody in this universe is like trying to become a kind of social media influencer. And why not when you are like having so much of impact on this world with your words, with your activities, and also enjoying your life and earning money. So why not? And yes, if you want to add your social media handles to TikTok and like earn more viewers and audience, then this is the video. So here we talk about how to add link to TikTok bio, and let's get started. First go into TikTok. Okay, now okay, this is scary. So you go into profile and you have that option of edit profile. Have a click. And okay, under the social category you have the option of Instagram and YouTube. You want to add a YouTube bio profile, so have a click on it, and you need to choose an account, so maybe this one. And it says make sure you trust TikTok. Yes, kind of allow. And maybe you'll receive an email sooner or later. Let's wait. And yes, you will have your YouTube logo displayed at the right side of the option of edit profile, and you have your YouTube channel linked right there. So have a click and you go into your YouTube account that you had just attached or linked to TikTok, and similarly you can link your Instagram account as well. And yes, this was how to add link to TikTok bio. If it was helpful, then make sure to hit like. This is me Ekta signing off. Have a great day.